Not this one. I don't know.
It came up and sent a message to LA.
We don't know what they're doing up there.
And then I got the card. Yeah, there we go. Here's mine. Oh, I am your
Come on, Alvin.
This thing is skipping on God. Yeah, but get the weight.
Get down. Rachel, get down. I want that close up one. I haven't seen
I used the shot.
No, she's fine. No, we just told her then I did.
Did you say hi?
Hi! Alright, so 20 cameras down there.
I get down and get somebody else up there.
Wait, you have to open the front? Get in! Let's go! Just sit on the ground!
Dave, get in there.
Over here! Robert, get in
That's it, Adam. Good job.
I can't see you! Hurry up! Alright, say cheese!
Yeah, he's doing that. Yeah, I'm pretending to record you.
That's a scary looking crow. Wow. You just can't move. Stay, you can sit down for a minute.
I gotta get the chaperones, that's right. Yeah, that's a good one.
Guys, keep it trying. Guys, you gotta sit down in the front. Sit down.
No, nobody leaves trash over.
Alright, look out. Alright. 7 more. There's only 7 more. Oh my God, there's more.
Alright, I need shade, people.
Derek, sit up.
Derek, sit up. You can't get your picture.
Go on sale for $7. The area directly below you is a bi-level bullpen. It's the first ever in the history of Major League Baseball designed just like this. The Oriole pitchers warm up closest to the field, that's 5 feet above, and the visitors pitchers warm up directly below you, that's 10 feet above. The ball has been taken out, so these are special ones that the Orioles lease out.
Okay. Is that everybody now?
Everybody.
Okay. So typically that means a box will hold between 12 and 14 people. And that includes your seats out front in the comfy leather rolling chair. Okay, the visitors dugout obviously is over there. You can see their staircase a little better. Look over that way. Okay, did everybody have a chance to look at the orange seats?
Yeah. There and there.
Anybody need help? Okay, please. Okay, the other one in right field. There's a hot dog stand. That's where Eddie Murray's 500 home run ball landed. When that happened, Eddie became only the third person to hit 500 home run balls and 3,000 softballs. I pointed out where it was, but we were walking distance.